welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my 30 days 30 book reviews series, and today's book is What the Wind Knows by Amy Harmon. This book is hands down my favorite book of 2020, one of my favorites. It is about a girl who has just lost her grandfather, and he was the only guardian in her life. Now, the grandfather is originally from Ireland, but they have never traveled to Ireland together because he promised her that she will only visit once he has passed away. Now, she does not understand this, but she loves him, so she accepts it. Now, once the book opens with his passing away, so the next step is go to Ireland and revisit her culture, her history. So she goes, and when she goes there, something truly unexpected happens. I'll just say it's already out there. So she goes back in time. Yeah, you heard it right. She goes back in time to the time when there was Irish resistance against the British Army, against their against their rule, the British rule in Ireland. She goes back to that time, so making this a very beautiful thriller come historical fiction book. It's amazing. It's giving me goosebumps talking about how amazing this is. So yeah, that's the essence of it. Now, does she come back? That is the question you need to find the answer to by reading this book. Does she come back to her own time or not? The time travel part has been integrated so freaking beautifully. I mean, when I read the synopsis, I was like, time travel and historical fiction? Nah, I'm not a big fan of time travel reads anyways, but this just blew me away. And I love reading historical fiction, so this, and I had never read anything based in Ireland, and the history of Ireland was something which I had not known about. And reading this book, it gave me a lot of knowledge about Ireland history, about what happened, how they got their freedom, and the resistance against the British, and a lot of those topics. And there's a little bit of romance in this, like a subplot of romance, and I don't really enjoy reading romance genre, but in this book I loved it. I absolutely loved it because it takes a brilliant author to be able to pull off so many subplots and to be able to execute them so well. And after reading a lot of historical fiction books, I can say this one is one of the best. Is there something I did not like? No, there is nothing I did not like about this book. I loved it from page 1 to the last one. It is not exactly a thriller book, but it was for me, and it was an amazing thriller for me. It was amazing historical fiction. Even loved the romance plot. So nothing to complain about. Only thing to say is pick this up because it's a 5 out of 5 star for me, and I hope you'll enjoy it as well. Bye.